Dear blessed God, we thank you so much for the joy that you bring into our lives. Though there might be times that are challenging, that are hard, we know that each and every moment that you watch over us and you bring fulfillment of your promises right in front of us. We know that you offer up into our lives pathways and new doors and new windows, new opportunities for us to walk through. And we just thank you. We thank you that though times might be hard, that we still have our minds, God. We thank you that we still have our bodies. We thank you that we still have the capacity to lift our hands up to you and offer our gratitude that there is still more for us to come. We thank you that this moment, no matter how hard and how difficult, is not the end, and that you will continue to guide us and to nurture us until victory is won. Amen.